will start with the iPad. We've got the 11-inch version in the color Space Gray. Under the iPad, there's the user guide that we're obviously skipping and moving to the best part. We've also got in the box a power adapter and a USB-C cable. The iPad is light. It weighs about 471 grams. The height is 247.60 millimeters and the depth is 5.90 millimeters and it's 178.50 millimeters wide. The maximum display resolution is 2388 by 1668. Now we will start setting it up. Let's move on to the camera. There are two lenses. The first one is wide and the other one is ultra wide. There's also a flashlight that most of the older iPads didn't have. So let's try it. You can also zoom out and see about 125 degrees around. Gonna take some pics. Taking pictures with it is absolutely amazing, but I think it's a bit hard to take pics with an iPad since it's a bit big, and the uses of it is more of work or studying purposes. Anyway, here are the pics. I think we should try this with the Apple Pencil, so let's move on to it.
So this is the Apple Pencil. I will open this. All you have to do is just do this. Ta-da! Okay. Yay! And it feels lighter than the other pencil. Let's try to type something with it. What? Hold it and it will connect. I don't know. Oh, how? I'm gonna get out.